Your Excellency, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, I'm speaking from the grassroots on behalf of the families that lost 20 people in the Kamdini accident. As of now, the families have not received any support from the government. Those who are in hospital are being assisted by the government personnel. Thank you. But the 20 dead bodies we have so far, our people have not received any support from the government of Uganda. As I talk now in Chwero, where I'm talking from, the family has mobilized 400,000 to get an ambulance to go and pick the dead bodies to come for burial. It's a very painful moment. It's painful in our hearts. The last time there was an incident at Freedom City on the 31st December, the government of Uganda came and gave every family of the victim 5 million shillings. That was a good initiative. The last time there was an incident on the road to Lira, there was government intervention, helicopters came, ambulances came, ministers were in the area. So the bodies are about to start getting bad. The families are overwhelmed. We have a government in this country. I call on Your Excellency the President. I call on the Prime Minister and the leader of government business, Honorable Nebanja. You have all the time. The President may be overwhelmed. That we want to see government in this. This is a trying moment for us. These people who died were taxpayers. Their lives went for a fault of not of their own. We expect to see urgent and immediate government intervention and assistance. Thank you. If you listen to Honorable Odonga, may God bless you. If you would also not listen to us, it's okay. We shall bury the bodies the way we've been doing. But we know government can do something. It is our call that they intervene. This is just a kind reminder. Thank you. For God and my country.